Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. I'm filming a little late this morning, getting a late start because I was looking at the Coach sale. I don't know what time that thing went up. Come on Roxy. The new Coach sales and things and drops, all that, usually go live at about 5 o'clock my time. I looked at the sale right at 5 o'clock and there was a bunch of stuff already sold out, so I guess it went up earlier. But there's some good stuff in there. I'll link it below if you want to go check it out. I hear Baron coming. They had both abandoned me. They were in here earlier, but I had no cookies for them, so... Ugh. Baron! Look, let the people see you. They love to see you because you're so cute. I had nothing for them, so they left me. And now they hear me talking. They're like, all right, it's time. So they're back. Hello, Roxy. I forgot to show you something yesterday when I was showing you the jewelry. This ring is the one that I bought in Old Town Spring. I told you it was $15. It had a serpentine green stone in it, and that stone fell out the second time I wore the ring. So there you go. That's what you get for $15 apparently. It's too bad. I really liked that. I was really enjoying it, but it did let me know that maybe I should get a nice sterling silver and turquoise ring that size. My bag of the day today, I'm carrying another Edie. This one, forget the name of the color, but it's like a gunmetal. It wasn't called that though. You can see it has a snakeskin texture, but it's definitely not snakeskin. The Edies are just so nice, and I haven't seen your comments yet about the Edie versus the YSL Lulu, because that video at the time I'm filming this hasn't gone live yet. But again, I just have no interest in getting a Lulu for $2,000 when I have these that I'm able to get for $200. Hello, beautiful. I keep feeling like it's a day ahead of the day it actually is, like in real life, not in Vlogmas time. So I'm filming this on Thursday morning, but it feels like Friday, and it's annoying when it feels like Friday and then you realize it's only Thursday, and I still have 2 more days until winter break instead of just 1. That's fine. I have a great job. 2 days of work is nothing. I don't think I have anything else to talk about this morning. So what we're gonna do is move on to Vlogmas Time Warp Autumn from the past, and she's gonna open a new handbag for you. I couldn't find any videos on YouTube about this bag, so I hope you enjoy that. Pre-filmed Autumn here. I have an unboxing to share with you. I don't know what I'm gonna think about this bag in person. I got it from Nordstrom Rack. I've never seen one of these in person, and I thought the color was really pretty and great for me, and it was a fantastic price. I'll tell you about that. But here's how it was packaged. But having not seen it in person, I don't know for sure that it's something I will want to keep. There's the color. Any guesses? Could it be a YSL Lulu? Ooh, the leather is so soft. Could it be a Rebecca Minkoff Edie? Another one. Oh wait, what is this? Could it be, I hope that's in focus, a Kurt Geiger bag? It is in fact a Kurt Geiger bag. Let me get it unwrapped a bit more and then we will take a look. All right, here it is. This is the Kurt Geiger Soho bag. I forget the exact name of the color, but it's like an olive green. It has the antiqued gold hardware, the little eagle's head with the crystals, which is signature to Kurt Geiger. No back pocket, just like the YSL Lulu, which is very disappointing. That's one of the best things about the Minkoff Edie bag. It does have that giant back pocket. This leather is so buttery soft and smooth. It says Kurt Geiger London down there. Chain straps with a little leather detail up here. You can carry it with 1 long strap or 2 shorter ones. It does have a little wrinkling going on here. When you open these up, there are magnetic snaps on these 2 sides, which is the most annoying thing about the Kurt Geiger bags to me. Why couldn't they just put 1 in the middle? Why do there have to be 2 on the ends? It makes it more difficult to open and close your bag. There's a dust bag inside. The interior layout has 1 big pocket there. There's a center divider which does not have a zip, and then there's another compartment in the back. That back has 1 slip pocket. It's lined in fabric. There are no other pockets, no zippered pockets, and the chain is attached to that center divider there, which kind of gets in the way of the back pocket. The entire bag is very smushy. The only structure that I can feel in it is in the base. It feels like there's a piece of plastic or cardboard or something there, so that's harder to smush. And then there's also probably something in the flap up here that's giving it some structure. But otherwise, it's just smushy. No, there's a piece of plastic right in here too, in this section. Let me see if I can remember, or if this tells me, the little tag inside, what the retail price was. That does not. The receipt doesn't say either. It's a packing slip. Well, if I can figure out the retail price, I will put it below, but I paid about $140, $145 for this bag. I have to say right off the bat, I'm not super impressed with the quality of it. That's why I haven't taken the plastic off yet. Oh, I'm sitting on Baron. Thank you, Baron. Give me a little stability. There's kind of how it looks on the shoulder. I was thinking this would be my bag of the day, but I'm not 100% convinced. I need to play with it a little more and figure that out. We'll see. And just a very quick size comparison. Yota gave me this Kurt Geiger bag last year for Christmas. You can see when I hold that one up, it's very structured. It stands on its own. Whereas this one, you can see how the base is bowing and it's falling over on me, and that's because it's so much squishier, so it doesn't have as much structure. The green Soho bag is a little bit bigger, and you can see how the quilting is different on them, where the black one has two different kinds of quilting. The Soho just has that one diagonal stripe, or several diagonal stripes, but just one pattern of those. I do really love the color. All right, now back to your regularly scheduled Vlogmas. And now it's time for advent calendars. And it's time for the dogs to get off my lap so I can get to the advent calendars. Oh, Baron. You should see him. He just looks so sleepy. Poor little guy. Hello, Roxy. You're wide awake. Baron's just hanging out waiting for the cookies to happen. You're just hanging out waiting for cookies. Yes, he is. I gotta get up. It's hard. I'm crushed. This is a champagne bottle opener. You put it over the cork and then it helps you twist the cork to get it out because it can be difficult to get out sometimes. I have used this a few times already. I tried it out to make sure I wanted to keep it before I wrapped it up, and it works brilliantly. So tonight when I get home from work, we'll have to open a bottle. Next, let's do the kindness calendar. Hello, Roxy. Hello, Baron. Looking for day 17 right here. The Anthony Nolan Trust in the UK is the world's first register of bone marrow donors and was founded by Shirley Nolan in 1974. The story begins... Roxy, could you stop moving the calendar, please? The story begins in 1971 when Shirley's son Anthony was born with a blood disorder, which only a bone marrow transplant could cure. Excuse me. Since there wasn't a system to find matching unrelated donors, she decided to start one. Today, the Anthony Nolan Trust helps more than 1,000 people every year. Mission 33, would you consider becoming a bone marrow donor? Read up on the subject and sign up if it feels right for you. I have never looked into that. I don't know. Mission 34, donate clothes you no longer use to charity. Roxy, help me find door 17. Boy, she is on it. Baron was no help. There it is. Good job, Roxy. Roxy, you've been good this morning. I'll give it to you. Good girl. Oh, look at her. She maybe did learn her lesson. 2 frozen margaritas with salt, queso with their very hot orangey sauce, some avocado, cilantro, and cheese, and chips. What did you get?
I got the taco of the month. It's got shrimp, it's got avocado, it's got chorizo, red onion, cilantro, and God knows what else.
What's that one?
This is like a pulled pork taco with pork and, again, cilantro it looks like, and I'm not really sure. It's onion. I'm not really sure all the things in it. It's just one that I like.
And mine was called the Crossroads. I don't know if I've had this one before. It has brisket and cheese and avocado and whatever else you see there, jalapenos. And I never get mine on tortillas because I don't like most tortillas. I'm very particular about them, as I am with most things. I only like fresh, made from scratch tortillas, and that's not what you get here. But the food is really good here. Most of the tacos were good. The drinks, not so much. They were really syrupy and sweet today for some reason. It's not usually like that. So now we're headed into the liquor store. Woohoo! These are the best pecan pies. They have crown in them. They're so good. Hello. There's not much of a welcome, but all right. Pardon the balled up sheets. We're about to change the bedding. That just came out of the dryer. So at Specs, I got 2 things. You saw me pick up the Western Sun Gin that's made in Texas. And I'm not trying to make Gwenny jealous, but I had some and it was really good. I wish I could get some more to her. And I've never liked any gin I've tried except for that one. Gwenny said she drinks this, so I thought I would try the Tanqueray. Got a little tiny bottle of it. This Western Sun, to remind you, has all these flavors in it. And you could really taste a lot of them. It tasted grapefruity to me, and I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see what that says. And I don't remember what else it was, but it was quite flavorful and light and refreshing. Let's see what I got from school today. From students and from my Secret Santa. This is from a student. They look like ornaments, but they're actually, if you take them out of the plastic, you dunk it in hot milk and it's a chocolate ball, and inside there are marshmallows. So they're hot cocoa. Very cute, very pretty. Another student gave me this cute little snowman bag, and inside a bunch of candy. I've already had a couple pieces. The same student who gave me the ornaments gave me this box of chocolate, and look at the wrapping paper. It has dachshunds all over it. I hate to say it, but that is my favorite thing. Very, very cute. And this bag is from my Secret Santa, and there are a couple other things in here too. I got 2 things. I got this little hand sanitizer, very cute, Believe in Your Elf. And I got this package, gingham scented. I actually like that scent. Hand sanitizers. I'm not sure what that bottle is. That's a perfume. So that was nice. And then also, the student who got me those 2 things got me a gift card. It's a Visa gift card. And another student got me a Starbucks card. So that's my haul from today. Cheers. Look at these poor animals. Roxy, Baron, let's sign off for the evening. Good night, Vlogmas. See you tomorrow.